Alrighty, guys, we're going to take a look at the what you get with the Amazon Basics wireless mouse with nano receiver. Make sure there's no address on there. No address on there. Cool. Alright, so I broke the seal. I didn't open it, but okay, it did come with batteries. I was kind of concerned about that because I didn't bring any with me. So happy for that. Alright, and of course, it's a really big book. That seems like a huge waste of paper. All these instructions for a mouse. It's kind of weird. So, let's take the mouse out. Looks nice. It looks alright. And then, of course, you're going to be able to get it out with your... Okay, you can. Just push in there and pull it out. What do we got here? Oh, there's our USB. And then the batteries go in here somewhere. I think I gotta get that ribbon out of the way. And that's... There we go. Okay. Okay, so lay that ribbon across there. Does it say... Okay, it does. It's in there, way in there. Okay, so on this side, positive end's going to go in. On this side, positive side's going to go down. So, okay, we'll break those apart here. And go ahead and slide that. Or is it supposed to be at an angle? Oh, maybe it's supposed to be at an angle. Yeah, there's a thought, right? Maybe it's supposed to be... I think it's supposed to be at an angle. Okay, so we got our USB port out, and we'll just put this lid back on. Okay, now it's on-off switch here. So let's get the laptop plugged in and see how she works. Okay, so you're going to take your little SD part here, not SD, USB part here, plug it into the USB port, and then we're just going to turn the mouse on. Okay, nice and easy. We see the red light there. Yep. Move things out of the way so we can actually sit the laptop down flush or level. And, well, it's that simple. Didn't have to install anything. She moves around nice and responsively, and yeah, it's that simple. Just take it out of the box, plug it in, or put the batteries in, plug it in, turn it on, and she's ready to go. I hope you found that useful. If you was worried about how difficult these mice whatever is to set up, it's that simple. Just plug it in, and she's ready to go. Bye.